How to use the Eastern Hancock Hold Pickup Lockers. Step 1. Place a hold on an item. Click Place Hold and then select Eastern Hancock Pickup Lockers as your pickup library. Step 2. When you receive your notification via text message or email, you will see that Eastern Hancock Pickup Lockers is listed as the pickup location, and they are located at the front entrance of Eastern Hancock High School. The address is 10320 East 250 North, Charlottesville, Indiana 46117. Step 3. Once you have arrived at the lockers, you can scan the barcode on your physical library card, scan your digital barcode in the Hancock County Public Library app, or touch the screen and manually enter your library card number. Step 4. If this is your first time using the lockers, the system will ask you if you require accessible or ADA lockers. You can also select a preference of low and medium height lockers only, top and medium height lockers only, or leave it as any locker being your preference. Tap the slider next to your preference and tap Continue to proceed. Step 5. Your locker will now open. Remove your items and completely close the locker door. Enjoy your items. You can return them to the Eastern Hancock drop box located directly across from the pickup lockers. If you have any questions, please call 317-462-5141 extension 240.